How to change color of blocks in Block Blast. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can change color of blocks in Block Blast. For this, launch open the Block Blast app on your device. As you can see, the color of the blocks is red. So if you want to change this color, what you want to do is tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen, then tap on the replay option. Now, as you can see, the color of the blocks have been changed. Now, if you want to get all of the blocks into the same color, then you again want to tap on the gear icon and tap on replay. Now, you want to keep on tapping on the replay option until you get the color of your choice. So let's say you wanted the color of the blocks to be all green. Keep tapping on the replay option until you get all of the blocks in green color. And in this way, you can change color of blocks in Block Blast. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.